Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, this is our last Christmas craft that we're going to do, and I hope you have fun doing it. Let's start with a little poem. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad 'cause they hadn't found a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off the tree went with a happy family. 4 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad 'cause they hadn't had a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off the tree went with a happy family. 3 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad 'cause they didn't have a home. Then chop went the axe, and down fell the tree, and off the tree went with a happy family. 2 little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very sad 'cause they didn't have a home. Then chop went the axe, and down went the tree, and off the tree went to a happy family. 1 little Christmas tree standing all alone. His heart was very sad 'cause he didn't have a home. Then chop went the axe, and down went the tree, and off the tree went to a happy family. No little Christmas trees standing all alone. Their hearts were very happy 'cause they all had found a home. And do you have your Christmas tree already? I hope you do. Today we're going to make a little Christmas tree out of some clothespins that I got at the dollar store. Now, we need some help. Mom and Dad will have to help you with this because we have a few things we have to do. First, we have to take this springy thing off the clothespin. We need 3 clothespins, and if we twist it, we can take that springy thing off because we don't need that for our tree. Twist and get it off. Twist and get it off. You need 3 clothespins to make this craft, and I will have these kits at the library for you. Then we need to do some hot gluing, and of course we want adults to help us with that. So first, we have to hot glue these back together. Just like that. And take this one and glue it together just like that. And one more, glue it together just like that. Now we have to glue these 3 clothespins together. So glue down the side and attach one. Glue down the side and attach the other one. And there we have our Christmas tree. Now, you can either paint or color your Christmas tree so that it's nice and green. And then, I've done mine already, it's just about dry. Hopefully, it's dry. You can decorate it however you want. So using anything you can find at home, and again, I will put some things in the kit for you at the library. You can decorate your tree, and of course we want to have a star on our tree. And then use your imagination. You can use glitter glue because glitter glue makes a nice decoration. Oop, sorry, I messed that one up a little bit. You can use anything you have at home to decorate with. I have lots of pom-poms here. Let's just put on some glue and attach some pom-poms. They could look like lights or they could look like decorations, or anything that you have at home to decorate with. Just make it look exciting. And you could make as many of these as you want. And then you have a little Christmas tree. You could hang that tree on your big tree, or it could just stand up as a decoration. So that's an easy Christmas tree made out of clothespins. I will have kits at the library for you. You're welcome to come in and get them, or go to the dollar store and buy a package of clothespins and just have fun creating at home. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and we will see you again on our Facebook page in January. Merry Christmas, everyone.